Okay, cadets, we're going to continue talking about making comparisons with adjectives. ¿Qué significa esto? Okay, first, we need an adjective, but before we're going to use as, I mean the adjective and then as. This is just the example about the tense. But here we have the examples. In this case, we have things that are similar in some ways. Pay attention. The structure or the tense says as plus adjective plus as. This cat is as clean, the adjective, and then we repeat as. This cat is as clean as that one. It means that both cats are clean. No hay ni uno más limpio que el otro. O sea, este gato es tan limpio como el otro. ¿Okay? No hay comparación, sino que los dos son iguales. Okay. But also we have something, if we want to use it in an opposite way, we could use not. ¿Hay parecido en estas dos imágenes? No. Okay. The Mona Lisa, which is this image, is not as old as some flowers. The Mona Lisa no es tan antigua como estas flores. Okay, son flowers. Son negativos. Okay. Sigamos con los ejemplos. Things that are similar. As plus the adjective plus as. A ver. Karen is 1.5 meters tall. And Mary is 1.5 meters tall. Si lo decimos de otra manera, con una misma oración, ¿cómo lo podemos describir? Piensen. Miremos si está bien su ejemplo. Karen is as tall as Mary. ¿Ok? Espero que sí lo hayan pensado. O, en este caso, como no hay ninguna más alta, Mary is as tall as Karen. O Karen is as tall as Mary. Bueno. In a different way, which is negative. Make a sentence to compare something. In this case, we're going to use not plus as plus the adjective plus as again. A ver, a hill, que es una colina, ¿cómo quedaría with the mountain? Piensen, ¿cómo lo harían? A hill and a mountain. Okay. A hill is not as big as a mountain. Okay. Definitivamente una colina no es tan grande como una montaña. Not as big as. Repetimos. As plus the adjective plus as. Pero como no son iguales, queremos hacer la diferencia. We're going to use the negative form. A hill is not as high as a mountain. Okay. Bueno. But also we have some examples here. Okay. Para estar más claros. Ramos is as tall as Bobadilla. It means that Ramos have is this. And Bobadilla's have is meters. Okay. So Because they are similar, they have the same height, we can use the same example. Ramos is as tall as Bobadilla. But if we pay attention here, Interiano is, Interiano's height is this. Interiano's height is 1 meter and 65 centimeters. In this case, we are going to use the negative form. We could say Ramos and Ramos is, no, I'm sorry. Interiano isn't as tall as Bobadilla. Why? Because if you pay attention, Interiano's height is this. Okay. And Ramos or Bobadilla's height is this. So in this case, we use a negative form. Okay. Another example. Math is very difficult. Math is difficult. But English is very easy. If we want to make the difference with these courses, we could say this. Math isn't as difficult or as hard as English. Or English isn't as difficult, let's say, as math. Okay. But if both courses are very easy, English is easy and math is also easy. So we're going to use English is as easy as math. Okay. Well, I hope you have understood this short explanation. And that's all for this lesson. Thank you very much.